Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. We typically believe that blending hot soup requires a dangerous transfer to a glass pitcher, yet field data suggests this handheld wand is actually the safer alternative. The signals reveal the stainless steel shaft dives directly into boiling pots, pulverizing chunky vegetables into a velvet puree without ever risking a thermal splash on your arms. This direct approach extends to cold prep too. Patterns track the 300 watts motor tearing through frozen berries, creating smooth textures that rival bulky countertop machines. The maintenance is equally streamlined. Unlike complex jars with hidden gaskets that trap mold, data highlights the blending arm detaches with a simple twist, allowing you to toss the messy business end straight into the dishwasher while the motor remains pristine. Verdict: the mandatory tool for the home cook who wants restaurant-quality soups without the extra dishes.